While 2020 had its fair shares of up and downs and unexpected things that no one could plan for, it did meet every expectation predicted for 2020. In fact, it broke records. 2020 was a record-breaking year for real estate. With that in mind, there's one blaring question. What's going to happen in 2021? One of the biggest indicators of how 2021 is going to go is interest rates. Interest rates are projected to stay low, and one of the biggest drivers for 2020 was the low rates that buyers were getting to buy homes. The good news is that experts are predicting that rates are going to stay low all through 2021. While home prices continue to rise, the counter of that is the low interest rates that are going to continue for 2021. Lots of buyers coming into the market means one more thing: bidding wars. In 2020, we saw a lot of bidding wars. I've got another video that you might like. Check it out, how to deal with bidding wars. You can watch that one next. Home sales are projected to go up by 7% in 2021. If you thought that 2020 was crazy for home sales, just wait, because experts are predicting that there's going to be an increase of 7% in home sales. So what about home prices? Home prices are projected to increase 3 to 4% as well. It's a simple case of supply and demand. When supply is low and demand is high, we're going to see an increase in the prices. In 2020, we saw an increase in prices over 7% nationwide, which was huge. This year, we're not expected to go as high as we were last year, but we will still continue to see prices slightly go up. With the end of the pandemic in sight, expect inventory to go up and for appreciation to go at a more steady pace. What about all those people, Tiff, who are going to be in foreclosure? Foreclosures are not going to be huge this year in 2021, and I'll tell you why. Any foreclosure increases will likely be absorbed quickly into the market, and it will not lead to any price declines. So now hold on. In California, we had Prop 19 come on the ballot in November 2020. We're going to see now in 2021 how that affects our market. Specifically, from April until July, we're going to see a huge number of people selling their home. The good news about Prop 19 is that they're moving their tax bases to California. So they're just shifting around the market, which will help increase the inventory during those months. And there's also going to be more buyers shopping in the market. So what's the bottom line? Despite everything that happened in 2020, the housing market actually helped the economy in a big way. If you have any questions or you're thinking about buying or selling, give me a call. Watch that one next.